I'm Snowmoon, and today we're going to unbox my Ipsy Ultimate. Now, I've not been 100% happy with my Ipsy Ultimate, and weirdly enough, I get my Ipsy Ultimate in another bag. So, to be fair, I don't even know what's in the other bag. I did buy an add-on, but I don't remember what my add-on was, so let me pop in here real quick. The other thing I did not get was an add-on sheet. I had to open it because I wanted to make sure they had one item. But, so yeah, this is my Ipsy Ultimate. The card in here does not tell me what I was supposed to get. It does say celebrate you, but it says 5 ways to give your glam bags a new life. But it really doesn't give me my list, which kind of sucks. I did kind of thumb through here to see if it's down here, but I don't see one. So let me pop into the app because I did buy one add-on and I don't know what it is. And then we got to find out what this is. I mean, I got the email that they were sending me this, but I'm not entirely sure why. So let me see real quick. I know I did buy an add-on because they were doing a huge add-on sale. Add-on was only $1, and I was like, I want to try something. Don't remember what I got. Oh, it says this was my add-on. So this, I only paid $1 for a side for my bag. My bag, Ipsy Glam Ultimate, is $50 a month. You can also get the regular bag, which is, I think, is $12 or $15. And then the small bag has 5 sample items, sometimes full. Then they have a second tier, which is like Ipsy Plus, and it's $25, and you get 5 full-size. And then the Ultimate's supposed to have 8 full-sized items with 4 deluxe samples and a bag, and it's $50. So I don't know if I'm going to keep this because that's a lot of money, but they did let me get the add-ons this time, were if you bought one it was $2 off, so I only paid $1 for this. And it's a hibiscus and ackee berry tea sheet mask and a lemongrass and green tea sheet mask, and I thought they would be fun because the mask they actually sent me I can't use. So with all that being said, like I said, links are all in the description. So we're going to dive right in. And like I said, since they didn't send me anything, I don't know how much anything is. I don't know what my full-sized items are. Like, I got no information. I will look at this and see. Doesn't really tell me. The rest of this is my bag. So this is the bag. Let me pull it out. So it's really got studs on it, and it's nice and neon yellowish pink. I do like this bag. All 3 of the bags were really pretty this month, but it's a little small for an Ultimate. Like I said, I'm paying $50 for this. So the reason I went ahead and got the sheet mask was because I got sent this one, and this is by 3, what is it, 111 skin, 3 skin, I don't know, but they sent this mask with this. This is a diamond eye mask under the eyes. I can use this, but this has got rose gold in it, and I can't. So it's a brightening facial mask treatment. So I will be passing this to someone who can use it because I can't use gold products. I'm allergic to gold. This item, the next item I'm going to pull out of here is by Brow Contour Pro. It was the item I picked. I don't get a lot of brow pencils, and I did want to try it. I did get it in light because I have very light colors in my face. I did find it really neat. It reminded me a lot of the little things that you would get when I was a teen. I don't know why it won't. Oh. Huh. So yeah, I got one of these kind of pens when I was a kid, and I thought this would be really kind of cool, so I'm kind of glad I got that. I'm not really sure how to use it, so I'm going to leave it in the box so that I can like read up on it. So that's one item. The next item I'm going to pull out of here is by Library of Flowers. It says it is a honeycomb lotion, I think. It says small batch perfumery. I do like this box. I've seen somebody else open this, but it's a really nice box. It sits in here really nice. And it's got a honey flavor in it. I did already open this because I already saw somebody open this, and it doesn't have the tip on here to push into here. And it's got one of those aluminum foil toppers. So since I had already opened this box to check on something, I went ahead and did pop it open, only because I didn't want to struggle with that, because I would have not been able to get that open on camera. So it's got a nice honey smell. It's very subtle though. It's very subtle smell. So that's nice. I guess that's one of my full-size items. The next item is another lotion. It's by Hemp's. I do have a bunch of these. I do love this brand. They're $7.50 for one of these bottles. I know that. I bought a ton of them. This is in the flavor sweet pineapple and honey melon. To be fair, I do have one, and I've given one away, but I'm going to keep it because I like using it on my hands. The next item I will pull out of here is by Christoph Robin. It says it's a scrub with sea salt. It says clarifying curing scrub with sea salts. I will show it to you. The purifying shampoo is ideal as a detox or post-coloring treatment. Apply on wet hair, massage the scalp, lather, and rinse. Okay, so I guess it goes on your hair. That is different. Never tried one, so I don't know how that works. I'm not gonna lie. The next item says it's Face Hero, a powerful and protective face cleanser. It's kind of small. I know I'm only supposed to get 4 full-sized, a sample size, but it does feel like a lot of this stuff is really small. But I figure it's just an oil for your face. Nothing big. The next item I'm going to pull out of here is in a little bag. This is neat. It is by, if I can get the bag open, I don't know. I struggle. Dermadeli. It says it's a nourishing eye serum. Gently dab 1 drop on the under eye area. Used twice daily. That's 5 milliliters. It's awfully small. I bet that's a sample. It doesn't really have a smell either. So that's interesting. I'm sure that it's something, I don't know. The next thing I pulled out of here is by Hey Honey. It says show your glow. Gold and honey beauty mask. I will have to read the back. If it's got gold in it, I can't use it. I don't know if it's referring to the gold color or gold. I will probably test this on my arm. I will do that later. So, just says it's a soothing, anti-aging soothing mask. But if this has gold in it, I can't use it. I can test it on my arm and find out. The next item is by Sunday Riley, which I've never had anything. And it says it is a vitamin C brightening serum. I have never tried a brightening serum. Is it going to come out that color? No, and it doesn't really have a smell. It's very liquidy. I mean, it comes out white, but it's very liquidy. So, but it doesn't really have a smell. Never tried a vitamin C serum, so that ought to be fun. The next item is by Thrive Cosmetics, and it says it is a Lip Mate High Shine Reviving Topper, and I have it in Ashley, which says it's Crystal Shimmer. Well, that's really pretty. That's really kind of a pretty thing. I like Thrive Cosmetics, really. It goes on really smooth, so that'll be something interesting for me to try. The next item I have in here is by Complex Couture, and I know that this is a brush, but I don't know yet if this is the brush that I already have or if it's a new one, so I'll have to look. But it's really kind of neat. It's got like a triangle. I don't think I have this one. I think the other one that I got in the other box had longer. But it doesn't tell me really. Oh, angled foundation. I don't think I have an angled foundation, but I do think I have almost every single brush that they have made. Thanks to Ipsy. And then I have an eyeshadow palette by Cella, which I've never had, and that's neat packaging. And it looks like it's browns. Oh. So that's a pretty thing. So I'm going to swatch it real quick on the back of my hand and see how it swatches. We'll get one of every color and we'll see what it looks like. It feels really smooth. So let's see. Oh, it glides on really good too. That's the colors. I really like the white one right here. That'll be nice. I love my eyeshadows. They're my favorites. It looks like it's like a magnetic palette, to be honest with you. Like, yeah, you can take them out and add different colors in here, which is nice because those are kind of expensive. And it's got a little applicator with a little brush. I probably wouldn't use the applicator, but it does have one, so that's neat. So, oh, let me put this back in it because it does say stuff on it like love attracts love. That's nice. And the last item, I probably said that already, was hidden. It's down here. It's by Manakadar, and do not yell at me because I don't know these brands. But it looks like it's just a little blush, and this says it's in Bali Babe is the color. Yeah, it's just a little teeny blush. So it says it's buildable, but it's that color right there. Put it over here. And then I guess my email had said that they didn't send me enough items, so they sent me this. They said that they recited me an item. So in my little thing, they also sent me a 111 Skin vitamin C brightening booster, which I got a Sunday Riley one too. So I'm not really sure why they sent me this, but and it has a nice little smell to it. So I guess I get 2 brightening vitamin C brightening boosters, and I've never even tried one, so pretty sure they probably found out that they didn't send me enough, and my box didn't equate for the cost. Of course, they didn't send me a little thing to do the math to find out, so And the other thing is I did cash in a little bit of points, and I did get the Tetris palette from Ipsy. I will go ahead and swatch these colors. It was in one of the bags early on before I got it. Came in like an Ipsy Plus, and I didn't buy it, but I did like the colors. These are all the colors. It only has the 6 shades, and we're gonna swatch a few. We'll swatch Game Changer because it's really nice. We'll swatch Game Over. We'll swatch Block Party, and we'll swatch Game Night, and the last one is Game Day. Okay, so Game Changer, Game Over, Block Party, Game Night, Game Day, it's just a pinky color, and the last one is Stack It Up, and I'll swatch it at the very end way down here. So it's got some pinks and some nudes and then some bright colors. I thought it would be fun, so I'm kind of glad I did come. I was afraid it didn't. That's why I opened my box, because it said it would come with my Glam bag, and it didn't. I thought it would come with my Glam Plus, and it didn't. So again, I'm glad I got it. I do feel like I got a lot of products, but then again, I did get this that I added. I did get this that I added, but overall, I don't know if I'd say it was $50 worth of product, but I'm going to tell you right now, I could not have gotten all this product for $50 anywhere. Like, even if it wasn't name brands. I know, I spent money. I'm bad. I spent lots of money. So, overall, yeah, it's kind of nice. I did get 2 lotions and 2 serums and a face oil. There's not a lot of makeup in it, but overall, it was decent. It wasn't like, yay, I can do a whole new face of makeup. I don't even think I can do a whole new face of makeup with all of my boxes if it wasn't for BoxyCharm. Because I just am not getting a whole lot of makeup from them right now. But overall, yeah, the links will be in the description. I hope everybody is staying safe and having a wonderful time. I know it's really stressful out there, so trust me, I'm trying to keep doing content in between working like I am, so that if you get bored, you still can go watch me. I am still working at the same time, so do understand that if it comes to a point, I might have to like scale back my videos a little bit here and there. But overall, just know, I heart your face. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.